Welcome back to the garden, my friends. As the sun finally crosses the celestial equator, you can feel that unmistakable hum of life returning to the soil. For us, the Spring Equinox isn't just a date on the calendar, it's our cue to get our hands dirty. This is that beautiful, fleeting window where winter's rest meets spring's ambition. We're watching the light linger longer each evening, telling our seeds it's time to wake up. By starting now, we're helping our plants build the strength they need to stay vibrant and healthy all year long. Before we tuck into our favorite herbs for the month of March, I'd love for you to join our community by hitting those subscribe and like buttons. Here at the Herbal Keys, we love sharing the real science behind our favorite plants in a way that's easy to bring into your own kitchen and garden. If you find these tips helpful for your spring planning, please give this video a like. It truly helps us reach more friends who value grounded, practical herbal wisdom. We're so glad you're spending your time with us today. Now, before we start our herbs, let's look at 4 essential March chores. March is all about the foundation. As your soil thaws, take a moment to feel its texture. A bit of well-aged compost now acts like a multivitamin for your future harvest, helping those tiny roots breathe. It's also the perfect time to give your favorite shears a little extra care. A quick wipe with some alcohol keeps things sterile and stops old garden stowaways from spreading to your new starts. Taking these small, thoughtful steps now ensures your medicinal patch stays resilient and productive. A clean tool and healthy soil make for a very happy gardener. Now, March weather can be a bit of a trickster. We get those gorgeous sunny afternoons, but the nights can still carry a sharp bite. Keeping our young sprouts cozy is key. Simple row covers or even old glass jars act like a warm blanket, trapping the day's heat to protect that delicate new life. Always keep an eye on your soil temperature. Once it hits 50 degrees, your hardy herbs are ready to take off. These little protections prevent shock, ensuring your garden transitions smoothly into the season without losing any of your precious early starts. German Chamomile is such a rewarding herb to start right now. These tiny seeds actually need a bit of sunlight to wake up, so don't bury them deep. Simply scatter them over your soil and press them down gently with your thumb. They love a sunny spot and soil that doesn't stay too soggy. Besides being a wonderful tea, chamomile is a garden physician helping nearby plants stay healthy. Just remember to skip the heavy fertilizers. We want our chamomile to stay hungry and focused on producing those incredible apple-scented medicinal oils we love for our evening cup. What makes chamomile so special is a compound called chamazoline. This is what gives its oil that stunning blue color and helps soothe inflammation. When you sip that warm tea, it gently interacts with your brain's calming centers to help you drift off into a restful sleep. It's also fantastic for settling a nervous stomach after a big meal. While it's incredibly gentle if you struggle with ragweed allergies, just start with a small sip to be safe. It's a classic household staple that brings a little peace to any busy spring day. Parsley is a kitchen essential, but it can be notoriously slow to wake up. To help it along, try soaking your seeds in warm water overnight before planting. This softens their coat and gets them sprouting much faster. Parsley appreciates rich soil and a bit of depth for its long taproot, so deep pots are perfect. It's a biennial, meaning this year it'll give us plenty of those nutrient-dense leaves. Whether you prefer the curly or flat leaf variety, just be patient with those first sprouts. They can take 3 weeks to show their faces. Most people see parsley as a simple garnish, but it's actually a nutritional giant packed with vitamins K and C. It contains a pigeonin, a flavonoid that helps our bodies stay resilient. Physiologically, parsley acts as a gentle diuretic, helping our kidneys flush out excess salt and stay refreshed. It's also a great breath freshener after a garlicky dinner. Because it's so high in vitamin K, if you are on blood-thinning medication, keep your serving sizes consistent. It's a perfect way to add a green spark of vitality to your favorite spring soups. Chives are one of the most reliable friends in the garden. They don't mind a little morning frost, which makes them perfect for a March start. You can plant the seeds about a 1/4 inch deep or simply divide an old clump from a neighbor. They love rich soil and will happily pop back up year after year. Those beautiful purple blossoms aren't just edible, they're also a favorite for the early season pollinators like bees. To keep them producing, just snip the outer leaves as you need them for your baked potatoes. They are truly a plant it and forget it favorite. Since they're part of the onion family, chives are fantastic for our heart health. They contain sulfur compounds that help keep our circulation smooth and our blood pressure right where it should be. They're also rich in quercetin, a natural antioxidant that's a big help when spring pollen starts to fly. In the house, chives are a lower sodium way to add huge flavor to your cooking. They're generally very easy on the stomach, making them a delicious daily way to support your cardiovascular system while adding a bit of gourmet flair to your morning breakfast eggs. Lemon balm is a true delight to have near your kitchen door. Like chamomile, its seeds need a bit of light to sprout, so just press them onto the surface of your soil. It isn't picky about sun or shade, but it is an enthusiastic grower. You might want to keep it in a pot so it doesn't wander too far into your other beds. Regular snipping keeps it bushy and prevents it from going seed too early. In the garden, its lemony scent helps deter unwanted pests while attracting pollinators with its tiny, nectar-rich flowers. The magic in lemon balm comes from rosmarinic acid. It's a wonderful restorative, helping to ease a busy mind and support a deep natural sleep. It's also famously used topically for its antiviral properties. In the household, a few leaves in a bowl of water can be turned into a refreshing room spray. Just a quick reminder, lemon balm can influence the thyroid, so if you're on thyroid medication, use it mindfully. For most of us, it's a premier herb for feeling grounded and cheerful as we navigate the exciting transition into these beautiful spring months. Dill is a striking, feathery plant that adds a lot of height and beauty to the garden. It has a sensitive taproot, so it's happiest if you sow the seeds directly into their permanent home. Plant them about a 1/4 inch deep in a sunny spot that's protected from high winds. If you love fresh dill pickles, try planting new seeds every 2 weeks. This succession planting ensures you have plenty of fresh fronds all spring long. In the garden, dill is a magnet for beneficial ladybugs, which help keep your other plants safe. Dill has been a household favorite for centuries, especially for settling an upset stomach. Its essential oils like carvone work by gently relaxing the digestive tract. This makes it a perfect after-dinner tea if you're feeling a bit bloated or full. It's incredibly gentle and safe, which is why it's been traditionally used for generations. Whether you're using the seeds in your ferments or the fresh weed in a creamy potato salad, dill supports healthy digestion. It's the perfect herb to help our bodies adjust to the lighter, fresher foods of the new season. As we wrap up today, it's clear that the work we do in March sets the stage for a beautiful year. By focusing on healthy soil and choosing the right time to sow, we're inviting these 5 wonderful herbs into our lives. Each one brings its own unique way of supporting our bodies, from calming our nerves to strengthening our hearts. Remember, the best medicine always starts with a little bit of dirt under our fingernails and a lot of heart. Thank you so much for spending this time in the garden with us today. For more details on these herbs and how to grow them, please check out the information in the video description. If you haven't yet, we'd love for you to join our community by subscribing and liking this video. If you've made it to the end of this video, leave a lucky clover in the comments so I can personally thank you. I can't wait to hear how your March gardens are growing. Until next time, remember to carry that March resilience in your heart. Stay well and stay grounded, my friends.